SADAT Defense Artillery Forward Observer Training Programs. Sample training programs for land forces are Land Operations Courses, Sharpshooter Training Programs, Special Task Shooter Training Programs, Protection Training Programs, Demolition Training Programs, Unconventional Warfare Training Programs, Urban Warfare Operations Training Programs, Advanced Individual Combat Training Programs, Artillery Forward Observer Training Programs, Tank Destruction Training Programs. Visit our website to view our sample training programs for the land forces. Our trainings are not limited to our sample training programs. Artillery Forward Observer Training Programs. Training subjects. In the Forward Observer training, the trainees are trained first in the classroom and then in the training simulation systems, respectively, by being equipped with light arms and other training materials, such as maps, compass, binoculars, calculator, and sketching tools, etc. Subsequently, the artilleries are trained by expert trainers in practice in heavy weapon firing zones until they reinforce their forward observer duties and make them capable. Trainees are given training on the main subjects of map reading, drawing sketch, using binoculars and other observing tools, range estimation, target identifying, acquisition and description methods, classification of targets and marking them on the map, concealment and camouflage, survival techniques, coordination with artillery and mortar fire management headquarters, factors of fire request, fire support requests from air and land vehicles, fire adjustment procedures and principles, management and administration by signaling, being able to use wired and wireless communication means, first aid, initial requirements for courses. In order to attend the course, trainees must have successfully completed some major trainings before and gained the skills are being adequate in conditioning and combat physical training, being adequate in basic and advanced individual combat training issues, being trained in wired and wireless communication systems and signal communication methods. Trainees showing success during tests of above requirements are accepted into the Forward Observer training programs. Abilities to be gained after the training. The trainees gain the following abilities as a result of the Forward Observer training: applying the techniques of cartography, reading, marking, measuring, etc., and sketch drawing, describing accurately and quickly the targets in the field and marking them on the board easily, in accordance with the characteristics of the field, quickly preparing an observation point and applying concealment and camouflage techniques efficiently. Ability to make the first fire request and adjustment at the desired targets within the standard time. Artillery Forward Observer certificate is given to those who are successful as a result of the test and evaluation. Duration of course. Artillery Forward Observer trainings consist of a 1-week program in total, with theoretical training, simulation systems training, and finally, open field practice. Subsequently, if possible, the acquired skills are reinforced during the year by giving plenty of practice opportunities by assigning tasks to coincide with the shooting and exercises phase of the artillery and mortar units. Who can participate in our courses? All our training and consultancy services are for the armed forces and police forces of friendly and allied countries. Individual participation in our trainings is not possible.